Hi, I'm Jack Schramm, the head bartender at Pernod Ricard, New York City. I'm here to make a really classic cocktail with you that's really fun for parties because it's so bright and refreshing. Today, I'm gonna make a really classic gin sour. And it has so many components that are easy to swap out, mix and match, really make it your own. I really like to use Pernod Ricard's light-spirited portfolio for drinks like this. Things like Delmegay Vita, Avion Silver. Today I'm gonna do a classic gin sour with Plymouth. A good rule of thumb for sour-style cocktails is to do equal parts sour and sweet and double that amount for the spirit. In my case, I really like the spirit components, so I'm gonna use a little bit more spirit than that. But let's start with the acid component. Today I'm gonna use lemon juice, 3/4 of an ounce. Now when you're doing a cocktail like this, it's important to focus on balance. So we're gonna use the same amount of 1:1 simple syrup as we used lemon juice, so an additional 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup. Now you could use lime instead of lemon, or agave instead of simple. There are so many ways to change this up. You're gonna use 2 ounces of the light spirit of your choice. You could use a dark spirit too, but I really love Plymouth gin, so we're gonna go with that today. 2 ounces in that shaking tin. At this point, you're ready for ice. And then seal that up. Get your glass ready and give it a shake. Shake it hard. And when it's almost too cold to hold, break that seal and strain that right into a coupe. And there you have it, a classic gin sour. Cheers.